Hey and hello guys, welcome back to developers.ai. So in this video we are going to solve APIs Explorer Cloud SQL. So if you're new to this channel, please make sure that please like, share and subscribe for more updates on developers.ai. So I have a doubt guys that this lab might be solved easily. So it is easy guys, but the most of it question is why don't you subscribe my channel guys? That is most required one. So it will get more motive to create more such contents guys. So please make sure that please like, share and subscribe for more updates on developers.ai guys. So just let me move to our lab and start the lab guys. Start the lab here and just copy a password. Wait a second. Now just copy a password and open your console in ignore mode and then click on next here and just paste your password here and click on next here. Click on I understand. So remove this. So click on agree and continue. So my battery is down. Let me connect my battery. So I will plug it there. So now guys, let me move to our lab guys. Click on task number 1 here. So in this task number, so we want to enable the API library. So just copy the Cloud SQL admin API. Just copy this and just come back here at the navigation pane API and services. Below that there is a library. Click on that and search for Cloud admin API. So click on that, it will be already enabled. So make sure that to click on this manage and disable and enable one, so it would be more functioning easily. So just disable the API once here. So click on confirm here. So now guys, just enable the API, so we can move to another step of this lab guys. So just do one thing, click on this enable once again here. So just come back guys, it will be enabled afterwards. So now to make the API enabled, if not click enable. Okay, then now click on this link here, blue link here, and open it in inventor mode of point number 4. And now just go to this and just see is API enablement. So there is showing this procedure to auto enable and something else. So this we don't require there. So let me move on directly towards fifth step here. So click on this method instance insert reference page and open it in Ignota mode. And now just what do you do? Just set a project and the project ID must be your ID, your lab ID. So just copy your project lab ID here. Just copy this and at the right side you can see here as a string project string, just paste it here and it is request a body here. So we want to make a body here, so you can see here at the body name, name my instance. Just click on a blue icon now, so please place add a request body parameters. Click on this and search for name here. So click on this name. For that name just come back to a lab and copy this my instance, important space or inverted commas. Just copy this my instances and just paste it here. And next the next step is to settings. We want to select the settings here. Click on this blue icon here and search for settings here. Yeah, it is here. And then come back here and below the settings there is a tire. So just click on blue icon below the settings and then search for tire. So click on this tire and what to be entered here, a db. So just above this image you can see a db n standard one. So just copy your what they have been given in your lab. So I don't know what they have been given in your lab, so make sure that check once and just upload it here. Just copy and paste it here. And at the next procedure, it is asking for region. So after that don't make sure that don't click here. So make sure that after the flower bracket, below this flower bracket you can see plus icon, one more blue one. Click on that and click on this region here. So after this region just come back to your lab and copy your region. So make sure that copy your region, like don't enter what you are looking at the display here. So just paste it here. And now you can see here everything is done. And make sure that this blue tick must be enabled. So click on execute. So now click on your project ID here. So click on continue here and now click on allow. So now our execution will be started and our output will be got here. We can see this and just compare here the same output. We can see here what they have been shown in our lab. So one step of this procedure has been completed. So to view our cloud SQL instances, so to make sure that click on this and open this so just remove this, come back to APN and reference. So again navigation pane, go to SQL, click on this SQL here. And then what they have been showing right now means, so click on my instances. Already our instance will be created here. So my it is creating guys. So it takes a time bit few seconds something. So after a few seconds, it will be, you'll get a green tick here. So it means that your instance has been created. So just come back, guys, before that. And now let me check our progress of this task number one, which we have been recently completed. So successfully we have been completed with task number one. So let me move for task number two. So just click on this method databases insert reference page here. Click on this blue icon and open it in incognito mode. Then at the project ID, copy your project ID here. So just copy this, and then at the right side, project string is you must be pasted here. And then my instances, copy this without any full stop, and copy this and just paste it in instance place here. And now next step is add the instance. So you can see this what type of request body we want to create here. So now we must click on this blue icon here of this place, and then search for instance. So click on this instance, and then come back here. And you can see on my instance, just copy this my instance without any gap, and just paste it here. And then next is the next procedure is here, name. Just search for your name, click on this blue icon here and search for name. And after that, MySQL DB, you can say MySQL DB here, just copy that and just paste it here. And then just come back here, and then you can see project, your project quick labs project ID. So just search for here, click on this blue icon here and search for project. So just come back here and copy a project ID here, and just come back and just paste it here, and then just execute here. So if you'll get some error, guys, because our instance must be green tick there. So see, you'll get a 400 error here, error for 400. So you don't need to panic here. So come back here, see your SQL is still in running stage only. So when you get green tick, you will get executed, and this will be executed, guys, easily. So click on once again execute here. So just keep executing here, so because until it green tick here. So click on this once again. So you can see here, yeah, my instances has been creating here. So wait for a few seconds, guys. Let me see for another step until we create this. So let me move on another one, guys. After executing, let me see, after creating this new database. And you see, guys, after this you can see this type of database will be created after executing this. So just come back here. So I hope so this will be created, because click on once again and execute. So instance will be take a bit time for executing that, getting green tick here. So just let me refresh on the page, guys. So it is still in execute running, guys. So let me wait for a few seconds, and after getting green tick, let me execute the test execution. Until that we can't move for another step. So we can move, but the procedure must be followed each step by step, so our lab will be easily solved. So before that, make sure that please like, share and subscribe for more updates on develop.ai, guys. So let me wait for a few seconds. So guys, you can see that our instance has been created. Let me move for that, and let me again execute this. So click on execute here. So our 200 successfully and executed here. So now, guys, you can see this, you can compare this in our lab output as well as this output. It will be same in the form. So at the now, let me view our database. Let me go back to our instances and click on this instance once again. So click on this databases here. At the right side, see, okay, our database has been created here. So let's just come back here and let me check our progress, guys. So our assessment has been completed, guys. So no more doubt here. So now let me open our cloud shell, guys. So just open your cloud shell here, open your terminal, and click on continue here. Wait for a few seconds. Yeah, click on continue, and just come back to your lab, guys, and copy the first command, cloud SQL connect my instances user root. So wait for a few seconds until our terminal loads. So click on got it here. So paste it here and click on enter, guys. It may take few seconds, guys. Click on authorize here. It may take few seconds, guys, for loading. So wait for few seconds, guys. So guys, finally we have been executed the first command. So in this they are asking the password here. So we don't know the password. So we need to just click on enter here. So after entering, so you'll get this type of welcome to SQL monitor. So that don't need to panic for we don't have password, how we can execute. This is the procedure of that. So just click on enter, that's it. Don't enter anything. So you'll get a welcome to SQL and etc etc, you can see here. And you'll get login to a MySQL database here. So now at the next step, guys, just copy this use MySQL DB here and just paste it here and click on enter. So guys, this step is very careful. Follow this step very careful, guys. This is an easy but a bit complicated. Sometimes you may miss the chances of getting executed of this step. So make sure that follow this step without any missing. So just come back here and then now copy this. Create table info name. Just copy this another command and paste it here and click on enter. So query okay, this has been done here. So at the next step, do not exit out of this Cloud Shell session. Open the new tab in the Cloud Shell by clicking plus tab in top ribbon. So click on this new tab here. So after opening this, just copy this touch employee info CSV here and just paste it here and click on enter here. After that, next click on this another command nano employee CSV file and just paste it here and click on enter. So you will get this type of interface here. So just after that, just copy the following and copy this and paste it in this file. Just paste it here and now just follow this step. Sit here plus X and then click on Y here and click on enter. So our step has been this completed, guys. And then copy this. Get user bucket name of this command and just paste it here. So make sure that they have been given here the procedure how to follow the bucket name guidelines here. So guys, I'll be given here only. So simple, guys. You need to add any of your name. Just I'll be adding dev labs dash ai. So this is for this is step of following a bucket, creating a bucket name here. So click on enter, guys. So our bucket name has been created, guys. So let me move on another and let me check our progress before that. So we have been successfully completed or not. So our cloud storage bucket, please enter cloud storage bucket, I think. uh, Wait a second. This is already existed, so make sure that last time I have been tried this. Okay, so now dev labs dash RAGHAV okay, RIPASPHYA Kripastia. So click on enter, guys. So our bucket name has been created here. So now click on check my progress here. So it has been done, guys. So let me move for another. Just copy the another command here and paste it here and click on enter. So no such file directory, I think. Test. After this, run the following command in upload the CSS file in the cloud storage bucket. Place your name with. Okay, just copy this and just paste it here. I have been forgotten to enter here my name here, actually cloud. So just what is that? Dev labs dash RAG drag. Okay, RIPSP. So this is my bucket name here. So please make sure that if you give any changes in your bucket name, please make sure that to enter your bucket name here and then just click on enter here. So our files and database has been created in this bucket. So just let me move on another and let me check our progress here. So successfully we have been completed this another one. So now, guys, it is another step, guys. So just come back to our lab. Below this MySQL instances, so what we need is a service account name here. So for this service account, just come back here. So overview of this my instances. Below this, you can see a service account here. See, you can see below this service account. So you can copy this and then you can paste it somewhere else, notepad or nearby anywhere, and just come back here. So you have been copied here. So now let me move for the navigation pane and then just let me search for cloud. What is that? Cloud storage buckets, right? So cloud storage and click on this bucket here. So now, guys, here in this cloud storage bucket, so click on this three dots here. So click on this edit axis here. So wait for it is loading here. So we want to add a principal and service link here. So now, guys, you can say add principal here. Click on this. So in the add new principal here, make sure that your service account which you have been recently, copy this and just come back here and paste it here. So finally guys, our new principal has been created. So we want to set a role here. So for the role, just come back here and copy the storage admin here because you need full stop and just paste it here. So you can see here, storage admin. So this showing more options here which want to be selected here. Yeah, this is one, storage admin. So now just we want to save here, that's it. We don't need to any change here, just add a service name there in the add principal, and then role must be storage admin. So successfully we have been completed guys. So let me move on another step. So click on check my progress here. So after that, let me for another step. If you want to continue means you can continue guys. There is no more check my progress here. So you can end this here only. Or else if you want to learn more in the, you want to go more depth means this is same process what I've been taught you in another last step in that task number one. So it will be followed the as same as it has been shown here. So guys, our lab is successfully completed guys. So make sure that guys, please make sure that please like, share and subscribe for more updates on develop.ai guys. Thank you. Let me meet you on this next video.